for 2021. Yes, it is Apple. Yes, it is performing. Yes, it is rolling. Yes, it is. And we had featured it earlier about the call options we were buying. And we were buying the 130s, the 132s, and we were buying the 135s. And that we were. So right now, we just popping right up here, hitting on all cylinders at $139. Yes, we are. And we are rolling. And not only are we rolling, we're going to see just how far it goes. I'm going to get the report. Right now, we are pumping, and we are pumping bigger than pumping. And let me get the numbers, everybody. What a nice day. Yes, it is. Facebook beat, we're in that one. There's quite a few of them. Q2, $1.40 versus 98. Revs came in at 89.58 billion versus the 76 billion. That is a big beat. We shot straight up here. Yes, we did. And we're still up. So let's see what happens. All right, everybody, here's what we have. We have that initial spike. Now I'm going to read some of the metrics. The iPhone revenue up 47.9 billion versus 41 billion. iPad revenue 7.8 billion versus 5.7. Q2 service revenue 16.9 billion versus 15.7 billion estimates. Those are those three metrics with the Apple. Then the blowout on the revenue. And that was a blowout. That was $1.40 versus 98. And we had featured the live video right here earlier in the day. And we talked about how we were buying and how big we were buying. And we bought a lot. So we're up about $38,000 on Apple. But nonetheless, the guidance will come on the conference call. Then they'll have to break it down on the iPad. I just read those metrics. But then they did an overhaul on a lot of the PC elements that we will get on the conference call and whatnot. And what we would like to do is see the stock continue to run, not because we're being greedy. It's been long overdue. And everybody had left what? Apple for dead. But we didn't. And you could see that spiked right here to the high. And then, this is just a little bit of noise in the after hours. So will be a conference call that will follow next. And once again, when I talk about the Apple trade in general, I talked about it. Once again, I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to show you the call contracts. Okay, and here they are again. So, suit up. We bought the 130 calls right here, and we did. And they bought 44,000 contracts on the 130s. We also bought, like I said, the 132s. And we bought the 135s as well. 83,000 contracts traded on the 135 that expire tomorrow. But we also bought some of the 135s. Oh boy, were they cheap. 49,000 contracts traded for May 7th, okay? And that was the biggest open interest there. The other one, like I said, we also bought the 130s again going out to May 7th, and then we also have the ones that expire on April 30th. So basically, these are the volumes that traded, and they're big, and they're bigger than big. And unlike Microsoft, let's keep our fingers crossed that everything works out because Microsoft beat and gave upside guidance. And we're pumping right now at 139.20 and we're coming up. And let us not forget here, let me show this on a monthly chart just so everybody can see it. On the monthly chart, don't forget that back in 1/3 of 2021 in that quarter, we had went all the way up to $145 a share. We would love to see that happen again. So you can see right now that this month right here on 131, the high was 138, and we're surpassing that right now. So basically, on this monthly chart, we are taking out a lot of the resistance levels and whatnot, and we are. And from a 15-minute view, you can see that when we were buying back over here today. And you can see where it started up. Right now, we're pumping on all cylinders at 139.38. I'm expecting higher prices. Then we're going to get the company guidance. Once again, don't stop your success. Your success is with us. And it is. And it's right here. We show you before the fact, not afterwards. Join that live trading room. Take that free 5-day trial. Get that relationship. Power your trading. Let this 35 years experience behind you pump you to glory. You heard what I said. Let it pump you to glory. Let you get paid. You deserve to get paid. Take the next step right now.